Hi, so I just picked up my Sephora package. Well, not package. I did an online pickup because I don't want to be delivered. I just want to get my stuff right now. So I did an online pickup, and the store I picked it up from had everything I wanted. I actually went in there and I saw this Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Sin body spray, body mist, and it does remind me of cherry vanilla. I was like, oh, this will good with cherry stem. So I have everything, and I'm gonna do a haul. I'm recording this, forcing myself to actually, not forcing, but encouraging myself to share things that I like. So this wasn't even on my list, but I walked around, smelled some perfume that was in the store, and I end up getting this one because I like vanilla and I'm liking cherry. Oh, and I got this from it's a Clean Reserve nectarine petal. This is something that I picked up when I did the Sephora favorites, where you buy like 5 or 6 samples and it comes with a code for you to get a full size. And this is an actual full size. Another 1 ounce is 3.4. And yeah, I kind of liked it. It's a clean perfume, so this would be good to have, especially during the summer, but it's going into fall, winter right now. So yep, so I'll do a little haul of everything I have, and then that's it. And there's some other things that I could do, or my favorites. I don't know what other ideas I could do, but that's the plan. Okay, bye. Hello everyone. So continuation from the video I did when I went to Sephora during their sale. So I don't know if I'm going to add them together. I probably should, but I'll introduce myself again. I'm Michelle. I'm going to show you my haul of all the stuff I got from Sephora during their sale. This is the first time I was ever able to participate in their sale, because I'm usually the, what is the first level? I don't remember what the first level is, but I've never been rogue. Never been. I don't know what got into me. But I had the budget, and so I was able to participate this year. So don't judge me, okay? I know the economy is having it rough, but I'm gonna share all the stuff I got. And all right, so the first thing I picked up was, how do you pronounce this? Kadali? All right, let me go online and see how you pronounce it. But I got this. I started using it already because I'm waiting for other things to come in the mail, and some of the things that they didn't have in the store I ordered and I haven't gotten yet. But this, I got the Vena Perfect Brightening Dark Spot Serum. I started using that already. It smells really good. And this is their niacinamide moisturizing cream, dark spot niacinamide moisturizer. So I have dark around here. No matter what I try, it's still kind of dark to me. Some people don't see it, but I see it. So that's what I got in this. And because this was really good, it feels really good, I went and I picked up the bigger size. So this is really good. So I'll probably just leave this for traveling, or probably just use it all off, because sometimes these things do expire. It expires in 9 months. So yeah, I was probably using it. And I haven't opened this yet. And this is refillable, so you can buy, I don't know how you take it out. I'll have to figure it out. But this is refillable. All right, what else did I get? Oh, sorry. I have this big box. I went back several times to get other things, so just put everything in one bag. But this is it. Okay. Moving on, I got the Until Dawn Big and Bitty. This is the best. Well, I do use two, but I've had on my makeup from 11 a.m. Well, I started putting on 11 a.m. so like around 11:30 I was finished. It is 6 p.m. Haven't touched up. It looks good. But I use this first. This is Fenty You Miss Makeup Extending Setting Spray. And then after that, this. Well, this, I also have it in SPF. So this is what I use. So sometimes I probably have a liquid SPF that I put on, and then I use this. But I didn't put the SPF, so I use this. They're pretty good. But I got this. This was a very good deal. Then this is a Kerastase 8-Hour Magic Night Serum, plant-based protein niacinamide. This is what I use on my hair at night. I tried the 1 ounce first because I have dry hair, and that's just stress related as far as I'm concerned. And probably the medication I took. So I went ahead and I got the 3.04 fluid ounces. This is very hydrating for my hair at night. So that's that. But I don't stress. Then I got the big size of the Dolce and Gabbana Devotion. This is the 3.3 fluid ounce. I got the little tiny one. Let me show when I come back. Okay, so I got this first. I think this is 0.67 fluid ounces, but this is from Macy's when they're having a sale like 3 months ago. And I thought it was so cute. So it passed the test. So went ahead and just made the leap and got a big one. Yeah, this is from, I think this is from, I didn't get it from Sephora, didn't I? Yep, this is the big one. A big one. Love it. Love it. Have it on now. I love it. And I also got the cream, but this is not from Sephora. This is from Macy's. But this, so nice. All right, got that. Ooh, I can finally open up everything I got. I did go ham. I did. But 20% off sale of the expensive stuff. All right, let me do the rest of the perfumes that I got. I got the Raspberry Ripple Cologne from Jo Malone. This, I got the sample, and it's something intriguing. It doesn't last very long, but I like the smell of it. I think it is so nice. Come on. Oh my goodness, it takes so long to come out. Oh my god, it doesn't want to come out. Oh, all right. Raspberry Ripple, Jo Malone. So I got the little sample. Do I have it out here? No, but I got the travel size. Something very refreshing about this smell, and the bottle is cute. All right, so got that. Then I got Jo Malone Ginger Biscuit Cologne. Oh my gosh, I love this smell. And there is a body spray from Bath and Body Works that goes well with this, or you can add it with like a caramel body spray or a caramel perfume. But this reminds me of Thanksgiving. It's definitely gourmand, but Ginger Biscuit Cologne. I don't want to spray it. Mix up everything. Oh god, it smells so good. So that's what it is. Jo Malone Ginger Biscuit. I got Vanilla Sin. And it's like Vanilla Sin. Why is it called that thing? But oh well. This is Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Sin. Let me get the bottle because I started using things already. I couldn't wait till I've got everything to like show you guys. Let me show you the bottle. Hold on. So this is a bottle for Vanilla Sin. It is 3.38 fluid ounces. Oh my god. I love it. Hold on. It pairs well with cherry. Okay. Fleur cherry stem. So spray this on your body. Sometimes I spray it on my clothes. These two together. Very nice. Very nice. So yes, I got this during the sale. What other skin? Oh, Secure the Sweat. This is why the other one is half done, but it's a sale. I'm gonna get 20% off, so I store on it. But because I also sweat. This morning I had a nice hairstyle. I had like everything combed up. I sweat in my hair. I will sweat, but as you can see, I'm good, and I have done no touch up. But that's also that's also with this, of course, the Nessa Merrick Blurring Balm Powder, number 9. This, a good base, good primer, all oil-free products, because my pores are like simia. I'm gonna just tin them because yo, they will sweat all day. Oh, 2 more things. I got, maybe I shouldn't have gotten this, I don't know, but anyways, I got I'll talk about this, but I got the travel size for the stem, the Fleur cherry stem, because sorry, this is it. Sometimes I'm traveling with, so this is the bottle. How many ounces is this? Do you care, guys? Care how many ounces? Calling you guys like I have people that are following me. It's 9.5 millimeters or milliliters, 0.32 fluid ounces. Don't mind me. I have transition lenses, and I don't know. It's like I have to be like this. Oh, see, not transition. Progressive lens, so it's 3 different views. So if I'm going like this, I have to go like this. I'm old now. All right, so that is and I got a refill for the Dermalogica. This is the daily microfoliant refill. I have the container ready. These are quite expensive, so I had to stock up. So yeah, that's it. I did return a few things. I got I think I returned like 3 things, and you see I don't remember them, so it really weren't worth it. Oh yeah. This. So this is a highlighter. Well, not highlighter. This is a cream blush stick. This is the color. It's very nice. And I don't know if I should, because one thing I don't like to do is to buy the same type of things. I have this Chanel blush, and it has it's deep mauve, and it has this color, which is similar to this, and I don't want to be too bright because you may not see it now, but outside it's a little bit bright. My God, I'm hot. Oh, it's the light. Oh my goodness. Anyways, you see, I'm sweating already. Like, and the light's on, so that's why I use products that are oil-free and products that tighten my pores. Because I'm sitting here and I'm sweating because of this light. Whew. All right. But yeah, I don't know if I should return it. I didn't use it because I already have this. So I may return this because I don't need it. I'm going to try their foundation though. So yeah, I might just return it. It's too much. I don't want to touch. It's too... All right, let me do a swatch so you guys can see it. I don't like to use things and return them. So, okay, so you like this, and that is it. It's very bright, and I don't like too bright. So you see, on me, is it too much? And then I have to use bronze. It's nice, you know. It's nice. Should I put it on? Okay, let me do like this. Oh, it's bright. Hmm. 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 All right, compared to this. Hmm. Okay. It's a keeper. Why am I sweating? Oh, I'm kind of in the solarium. And I usually have my fan on. If I go over there, it's cool. Right here, because right beside the window. Probably should open the window. It's cool outside. See? I sweat. Alright, so that's my haul. Am I missing anything? I can do an Ulta haul because Ulta also had a sale and Macy's had a sale. But I already did a video with Macy's. I got some perfume from there. And that is it for me. That is it for me. Listen, shout out to Afterpay and Klarna. Please don't think I got a lot of money. Afterpay and Klarna. You guys check them out. Okay? Alright, that's it. Now I can unpack everything. And I think that is it. I think that's it. Alright, so that's my haul of Sephora. And I hope you enjoyed it. I will probably do individual videos, especially on this, which I'm gonna learn how to pronounce better because it feels really good. I've been using Kiehl's dark spot serum. It doesn't really do anything, or it's very slow. So that's it. All right, thank you for watching and entertaining my what is a nice way of saying product junkie? No, I'm not a product junkie. A collector of nice things. I don't know. Thank you for indulging in my antics. I'm gonna put the videos together. I have to do tonight because I have a first draft of my literature review that is due on Monday. But I want to relax tonight. You see what? Alright, I gotta go. Thank you for watching if you are watching, and I appreciate you all for being a part of my creative outlet. Bye! Oh, yeah, I gotta take this. It looks like it's gonna sting too. Oh,